Hello student, good afternoon to all. I am Ram Sharma from LTM Public School, Kola Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 9th class, which is your physics period. As you know, your chapter motion is going on. So today I will discuss some numerical based on NCERT. So, this is your first numerical. We have to discuss about this. An object starts from rest, travels 20 meter in first 2 seconds and 160 meter in next 4 seconds. So what will be the velocity after 7 seconds? So as you can see in this question, the given values rest. So what is the meaning of rest? Rest means the initial speed is 0. As you know, U is the symbol of initial speed and travels 20 meter. It means distance equal to 20 meter in first 2 seconds. So T is equal to 2 seconds. Okay. So by using this value, first we have to find what is the acceleration of the motion of object. So as you know, second equation of motion, by second equation of motion, S equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. So by putting the value, S is 20 and U is 0, 1 upon 2 A, and your T is 2 square. So 20 equal to 0 plus 1 upon 2A into 4. So 2. So 20 is equal to 2A. So A is equal to 20 upon 2. It means 10 meters upon second square. This is the acceleration of object. Now the next value is given 4 seconds. In next 4 seconds, what will be the 160 meter in next 4 seconds? It means the distance 160 meter is traveled by object in 4 seconds. So we have to find the acceleration. We have to check the object is moving with same acceleration or variable acceleration. After that, we can find the velocity after 7 seconds. Okay. So for next, this is initial, U is 0, object moving through 20 meter in 2 seconds. After this point, object continue to move 4 seconds and the distance traveled by object is 160 meter. 160. So it means the final velocity of object behave as a initial velocity for this second. Okay, the initial velocity for this is U is 0 and final V is, we have to find V equal to U plus AT. So V is 0, A is 10 and T is 2. So V is 20 meter per second. So this is the final velocity gained by object after 2 seconds. after 2 seconds. But this initial velocity behave as a, this final velocity behave as a initial velocity for the object. Clear? The initial velocity u is 0 and the final is 20 after 2 seconds. But for the next 4 seconds, this initial velocity 20 meter per second behave as a, this final velocity behave as a initial for this next motion. So it means it is u is 20 meter per second. Clear? So for second, for next 4 seconds, for next 4 seconds, u is 20 meter per second. Okay, and s is given 160 meter, 160 meter. T 4 seconds, 4 seconds, s is 160 meter and u is 20. This value are given, so we have to check what is the acceleration. So by putting value, you can check s equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. So s is 160, u is 20 and t is 4. A, I have to check the value of a, and t is 4. So 160, 80, a upon 2 into 60, 8. So 160 minus 80 equal to 8a. So 80 is equal to 8a. So 8a is equal to 80. So a is equal to 80 upon a. It means 10 meter per second. It means for total journey 1 to 2 seconds, the acceleration is 10 meter per second, and the next 4 seconds, the acceleration is same, 10 meter per second. It means we can say that the object moving with uniform acceleration. Object moving with uniform acceleration. So we can find the velocity after 7 seconds. So v equal to u plus 80. Initial 0. Now we are discussing about the total. This is initial, u is 0, and velocity after 7 seconds. From starting to end point. End point is after 7 seconds. So v, u is 0, a is 10, this is 7. So v is 70 meter per second. So this is the velocity after 7 seconds. I hope you understand. Now I am going to discuss about the second numerical. This is your second numerical. Open relation for the distance traveled by an object moving with a uniform acceleration in the interval between 4 seconds and 5 seconds. As you know, the distance traveled in nth second I explained in my previous video. So you can see the formula. But we can find this relation by using the simple equation, second equation of motion. As you know, second equation of motion, second equation of motion. S equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 a t square. You know where S is distance, u is initial speed, a is acceleration, and t is time. Okay, so distance traveled in 4 seconds. It is not 4 seconds. It is 4 seconds. Distance traveled in 4 seconds is S4. And this is S4. So S4 equal to u into 4 plus 1 upon 2. This is u. 1 upon 2 a t square. And t is 4. So S4 equal to 4u plus 16 upon 2a. So S4 equal to 4u plus 8a. 4u plus 8a. And unit is meter. Clear? So now we have to find distance traveled in 5 seconds. Distance traveled in 5 seconds. So S equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 a t square. So let this distance is S5. Is S5. So u initial T5 1 upon 2a 5 square. So 5u plus 25a upon 2. This is second equation and this is first. We have to find interval between 4th and 5th second. Obtain a relation for the distance traveled by an object moving with uniform acceleration in the interval between 4th and 5th second. It means if this is total journey 0 to 5 second, the distance traveled in 4 seconds, that this is distance S4 and this is distance S5. Now we have to find the distance traveled or covered between 4th second and 5th second. Okay, so you can find equation second minus equation first. You have to subtract equation first from equation second. It means this is equal to S5 minus S4. Let this is S. So 5u plus 25 upon a minus 4u plus 8a. So 5u plus 25a upon 2a minus 4u minus 8a. So 5u minus 4u equal to u, and when you subtract 25 upon 2 minus 8a, So this will come, you can 25a minus 8a. So a common, so 25 upon 2 minus 8. So a equal to 25 minus 16 upon 2. So this is 9a upon 2. So it means u plus 9 upon 2a meter. So this is the distance, or this is the relation that traveled by object between 4 second and 5 second. Okay, I hope you understand this answer. So you have to try more numericals, and the next topic of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.